Welcome to this page. Solve the following math questions. Question number 1. If A is a 4 by 4 matrix with determinant of A is 32, what is the determinant of 1 over 2 A raised to transpose? A 60, B 64, C 2, D 1 over 64. How can solve this question? So what's solution? The required one is determinant of 1 over 2 A raised to transpose. Look, before this, look at this one. For any square matrix, determinant of constant, k constant times A is equals to k raised to any determinant of A. This is a property of determinant. For any n square matrix, for any k constant, determinant of constant times A is equals to k raised to any determinant of A. We have this property. Another, determinant of A and the determinant of A raised to transpose is the same. Now, by using these two, it has solved the following the given question. So determinant of 1 over 2 raised to t 1 over 2 A raised to transpose is equals to 1 over 2, since it is 4 by 4 matrix, 1 over 2 raised to 4 times determinant of A raised to transpose. This is equals to 1 over 60 times determinant of A raised to transpose is equals to determinant of what? A. So now 1 over 60 times determinant of A is given 32. So the result is equals to, this is equals to, by 61 by 62, the answer is 2. So C is the answer. Go to question number 2. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix and the determinant of A is negative 2, then determinant of A inverse adjoint of A is equals to. So how can solve this one? Solution. Determinant of A is given. The matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, determinant of A inverse adjoint of A is equals to. Look, you know that. How do you find A inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. So from this is equal. From this we get what? Crisscross. A inverse determinant of A is equals to A inverse determinant of A is equals to what? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. This means, this implies adjoint of A is equals to A inverse determinant of A, it means. So from this, look, multiply both sides by A inverse. A inverse adjoint of A is equals to, multiply both sides by A inverse. This is equals to A raised to minus 2 determinant of A. This implies A inverse adjoint of A is equals to, you know, determinant of A is given, which is minus 2. Minus 2 A raised to minus 2 means. So from this implies, look, determinant of A inverse adjoint of A. Determinant of A inverse adjoint of A is equals to determinant of negative 2 A raised to minus 2 means. So this is, you know, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is equals to negative 2 raised to 3. determinant of a raised to minus 2. So this is equals to negative 2 raised to 3. You know that determinant of, from this, determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 over determinant of A. So we have this rule. So by using this rule, determinant of A raised to negative 2 is equals to 1 over determinant of A, 1 over determinant of A raised to raised to 2. So this is equals to negative 2 raised to 3 times determinant of A is 2, 1 over minus 2 raised to 2. So this is equals to negative 8 over minus 2 raised to 2 is 4. So the result is minus 2. How do you get it? So the answer is minus 2. See. Thank you.